Hi student. Uh, Till now we have discussed our problems based on surface area and volume. In our last videos we have discussed problems which are based on surfaces area of combinations of solid there. Now in our today topic we are going to start with discuss the problems which are based on volume of combination of solids. Look again whatever we have discussed the last problems which are based on our surfaces area. Now from today we are going to discuss some problems which are comes up we are going to take from our NCERT textbook as well as our side books there. Then how can we use our concept in the problems which are from the combination of solids, in which we have to find out volume of combination of solids. Then first of all start with taking one of the example there. It's first problem, it's given there, an iron pole consisting of a cylindrical portion. I'm just going to read out the portion, then after that I'm just draw a figure, then I'm going to clarify you what is given there. It is given here an iron pole consisting of a cylindrical portion 110 centimeter height and of base diameter 12 centimeter is surmounted by a cone 9 centimeter height. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of the iron has 8 gram mass approx. Now it's given there there is an iron pole consisting of a cylindrical portion 110 centimeter height and a base of diameter 12 and is surmounted by a cone 9 centimeter height. Then look we are going to draw a figure there. We have a pole, that's the cylindrical portion, and then an iron pole consisting of a cylindrical portion 110 centimeter height. This height is given there 110 centimeter and has the base diameter is 12 centimeter. Its base diameter is given 12 centimeter. Then it's surmounted by a cone 9 centimeter height. Then on the top there is a cone. Now what do we have here? It's a given cone 9 centimeter height. The height of cone is 9 centimeter. Now look, it's surmounted on the top, then its radius is 6, then the radius of this cone is also 6 centimeter. This is our 6 centimeter radius of cylinder, as well as radius of cone is our 6 centimeter. Now look, find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has 8 gram mass. Now in problem we have to find out mass of the pole. How can we get the mass of pole? To convert in the 1 centimeter cube means it's represent a volume. The 1 centimeter cube having a mass 8 gram. That means first of all we have to find out here the volume of this combination of solids. Then after getting the volume in centimeter cube, we have to multiply with 8 gram, because it's given there it's a 1 centimeter cube of iron has 8 gram mass. Then to find out its conversion in mass there, then how can we, first of all here we have to find out volume of this combination of solids. How can we find volume of this combination of solids? Then look, our volume of solids is given by this volume of cylinder plus the volume of our cone. Volume of cylinder plus the volume of cone. Now look, what is our volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. It's a pi r square h. It's our volume of cylinder, and plus what is our volume of cone? What is our volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi. R is same there, that's why I have taken R square. Take h1 because height is different there. h1 represent the height of cylinder, and H2 represent the height of cone. Now we take out common over pi and r square, because r is same in the both cases. Pi r square, then we have h1 plus 1 by 3 h2, then pi r is our 6 square, h1 is our 110, and h2 by 3 9 by 3 we get 3. Then what do we get? 6 is 36 pi into 130. Now this is our volume of solid. You have to multiply with 113 into 36, 6 3 18, 616 plus 7, 616, 339, 313, 313, 8, 9, 7, 16, 7, 3, 10. Now what do we get? Volume is what? 4068 pi. Now this is a volume of or combination of this solid. The volume is what? 4068 pi, because we are going to put the value of pi divided by 7, and it's a lengthy calculation. I am not going to solve this. We get volume now, but here what we have? We have to find out what we have to calculate here the mass of the solid. We have to calculate here the mass of the solid. Then what do we do? We get volume. Now our volume is what? It's in centimeter cube. Now the mass of solid is what? Volume is 4068 pi into the 1 centimeter cube, it's 8 gram into 8. Solve this, then we get our required answer in gram. This is get the our mass of the solid in gram, and if you are want to convert our mass in the kg, then you have to be divided by 1000. Then you can also convert in the mass in the kilogram there. Now look, I am just going to explain you one time again. What is given there? It's given there we have an iron core having its base is a cylindrical base. Then there is surmounted a cone on the meaning of surface. There is on the top there is a cone there. It's given the height of cylindrical portion is 110 centimeter and the diameter is 12 centimeter. Then we get radius of cylinder is what? 6 centimeter. Also given that the height of cone is 9 centimeter. Then it's surmounted about the same, having the same radius of cone to the radius of cylinder. Now look, first of all we have to find out here mass. It's given that the mass of 1 centimeter cube is 8 gram. To find out the mass of total solid, then we have to first of all find out the volume of the combination of solid. How can we get the volume of combination of solid? By volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is what? It's a pi r square h. Volume of cone is what? 1 by 3 pi r square. I change h1 and h2 because heights are different there. 1 by 3 taking r, because if radius are different then we can take r1 and r2 as usual. But 1 by pi r square h1, it's the volume of cylinder. Pi r square 1 by 3 pi r square h2, it's a volume of our cone. Adding both the volume, putting the values, then we get the volume of this solid is 4068 pi centimeter cube. To get the mass of solid is given by 4068 pi into 8 gram. Then you have to put the value of pi 22 by 7. Then find out the its value in gram and kilogram. Then now we are going to discuss with our going to start to discuss our next problem. First of all, look, there is a, I hope so we need a same figure there. I'm just not going to draw this figure. Now look, in next problem it's given that a petrol tank is a cylinder of base diameter 21. A petrol tank is a cylinder of base diameter 21 centimeters. Given there the base diameter is 21 centimeter and length 18 centimeter, fitted with length 18 centimeter. Look, diameter is our smaller than the diameter 20 when the length is 18, then it's not suited a figure there. We have to be made another figure because our diameter is smaller than our length. Now what do we have? A potato tank is a cylindrical of base diameter 21 centimeter. This is having a diameter 21 centimeter and its height is 18 centimeter and length is fitted with a conical ends of each axis length of 9 centimeter with conical ends. Then there is a conical ends and on the both ends with axis is given a 9 centimeter. With length is given both length is given 9 centimeter. Now we have to determine the capacity of this tank. We have to find out capacity of this tank. Then it's given there. There is a petrol tank. It's in the shape of a cylindrical portion, and there on the both ends there is a shape of a conical shape there. Then now we have to find out the capacity of this solid, combination of solid. All the values are given there. Now determine the capacity of this tank. What do you do? Capacity of tank. Now we are going to find out our capacity of tank. How can we get our capacity of tank? Is given by volume of cylinder and plus 2 times volume of cone. 2 times volume of cone. How we get volume of cylinder? What is our formula? Pi r square h. Here is r is what? Diameter 21. 21 by 2 pi r square h. H of the cylinder is what? 18 plus 2 into volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square. R is same on the both cases into h. H of height of cone is what? 9. Now we have put the value. We are going to find out the volume of cone as well as added the volume of. To find out the capacity of this tank, what we do? We are going to find out the volume of this cylindrical tank and the 2 times the volume of our cone there. Then after putting the value, what do we get? Now we have take out this common there, the value of pi by 21 by 2 whole square. Then pi is what? 22 by 7, and take it out the 21 by 2 whole square common. The 21 square is what? It's a 441 upon 4. Now what do we have? We have here 18 and here it's a 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. We have 6 here. Now we can also solve it. So one step there, we can divide by this 2, then it's a 11. Here we get 11, and by this 7, what do we get? 7 6 42, 7 3 21. 11 into 63 upon, we can write down 2 here because 2 is carried out there. 7 6 is 42, then 2 21, 7 3 21. Now it's a 18 plus 6 24. Now capacity of tank is what? We can also solve by this 24. 12 11 into 12 into 63. Then what do we get? 11 12 22. And then 132 here. 132 into 63. 132 into 63. Then after multiplication, what we get? We get 8,316 centimeter cube. 8,316 centimeter cube. This is the what? Our volume of the capacity of tank. I'm just again going to revise you. It's given there. Petrol tank is a cylinder of base 21, base diameter 21 centimeter and the length 18 centimeter, filled with fitted with conical ends of each of the axis length 9 centimeter. Determine the capacity of the tank. To determine the capacity of tank, what we do from figure, to find out this capacity, we have to find out volume of this tank and volume of this two cones there. Capacity of tank, volume of cylinder plus 2 times volume of cone, pi r square h. Pi r radius is given by 21 by 2, h is height of cylinder 18 plus 2 times volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Height of cone is 9. Then put in the values of this and after solving we get the volume of capacity of this petrol tank is given by 8,316 centimeter cube. Now we are going to discuss with our next topic. Look, in our next topic, I also we have a use of this shape. We can use this shape and just drop this numerical portion, solving portion, because you can use this. Next problem is from NCERT textbook. Rachel and an engineering student was asked to make a model in the shape of a cylinder with 2 cones attached at 2 ends. It's same. We can use this same figure. Rachel our engineering student make a model in the shape of a cylinder with 2 cones attached at the 2 ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and its length is 12 centimeter. Sorry, diameter of the model is 3 and its length is, then it's given a length of model. The whole model length is 12 centimeter there. From here to here it's given a 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter and cone height given the height of cone is given what? 2 centimeter. Find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Assume that the other and inner dimension of the model to be nearly the same. Now look, we have to find out here. Find the volume of air contained in the model. The volume of air contained in the given model, it's actually what? The volume of cylinder plus 2 times the volume of our this cone, and it gives the volume of air contained by this model. And how can we get the volume contained by this model? By adding the volume of cylinder plus adding the 2 times of volume of our cone there. Then we are going to start. First of all, look, here we have to find out the height of the cylinder. How can you find out this height of cylinder? This is our length 2, this is our length 2, then height of cylinder is what? 12 minus 2 plus 2, 4. 12 minus 4, then we get 8. Then our height of cylinder is what? It's a 8 centimeter. Now, here what we have to find out the volume of air. Volume of air is equal to volume of cylinder plus 2 times volume of cones. Look, in this model we have to find out the air contained in this model. To get the volume contained in this model, what we do? We have to find out the volume of the cylindrical portion plus 2 times the volume of cones. Now volume of cylinder is what? It's a pi r square h. Pi r is given there, diameter is 3, then r is what? Our 3 by 2 square h is our 8, then plus 1 by 3, sorry, it's a 2 also there, there is 2 cone, 1 by 3 to 2, 2 by 3 pi r is same, 3 by 2 square h is our 2 there. Now look, we can take out pi common there, then pi, then what we have here, we have 3 square 9, and then cancel this 8, 2 4s are 8, 9 4s are 36 here. What we do? We are taking the square of this 3 by 2, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, sorry, 4 2s are 8. Then we have done a mistake here because it's a square. Then what we have? It's a 4, 4 2s are 8. Here we take 8. Then 9 2s are. Here we get only 18 because it's a 3 square is 9. 9 adds 72. 72 divided by 4. Then we get 18. Then we take out pi common there. Then now what we have here? 2 by 3 into 9 by 4 into 2, then this 2 2 4 cancel out, this 3, then we have 3 here. Here after solving, what do we have? Only 3 here. Then now volume of this pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7 into 18 plus 3, 21, 7 3 21. Then 66 dimension is centimeter, 66 centimeter cube. This is the volume of air in the, its value there. We are going to find out its value. Then what we get? We get it's by 66 approx 66 centimeter cube. If it would be not any mistake there. If we are 2 to 4, the height of is 8, and height of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Height of cone is 2 there. I have not done any mistake there. The height of it's a 2. Diameter of the model is 3. We have put it. Diameter is 3. Then now it's a 3 by 2. Then put in the value pi. We have put the lookup. I'm just going to revise it. Look, it's a given Rajsher, an engineering student, in which what we have to find out the value there, volume of the air, volume of the two conical ends. Now look, what do we do? Rajsher engineering student was asked to make a model in the shape of a cylinder with a tank in the 2 ends by using a thin volume. The diameter of this is this, and find the volume of air contained in the volume there. To get the air in this container, what we in the model there, what we have to do? We have to find out the volume of this cylinder plus volume of this cone. Volume of air is what? Volume of our cylinder plus 2 times volume of cone. We put in the value. Volume of cylinder is what? It's a pi r square h. R is 3 by 2 h square h. Height is our height of the cylinder plus 2 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3 pi r square h. This is the volume of cone height is 2 there, taking out pi common there. Then what we have? We have 3 by 2 square 8, 9 8 is 72 divided by 4, we get 18. And here take out pi common there, we have 4 by 3, 9 by 4, 4 by 3, 9 by 4, 4 4 cancel out, it's a 3, 18 plus 3 21. After solving, we get the total air contained in this model is 66 centimeter cube. If there should be any calculation mistake, then it's my apology to you. Please inform me. Now look, we are going to discuss with another topic. Sorry, we're going to take our next problem there, not another topic there. We are come to the next problem. Look, what is given there on our next problem? It's a cylindrical pen. It's given in the problem. A solid is in the shape of a cone. Here we have a solid. A solid is in the shape of a cone. standing on a hemisphere both with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius, find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. What is given there? A solid in the shape of a cone. A solid is in the shape of a cone. We'll draw a cone there. Standing on a hemisphere. Standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. It's given there, radius r is equal to 1 centimeter. Then find the and the height of the cone is equal to its radius, and the height of cone is also equal to its radius. That means h is also 1 centimeter there, height of cone. Then now we have to find the volume of this solid in the terms of pi. Now, what is the volume of our solid? How can we get the volume of solid? Volume of cone, volume of this cone plus the volume of this hemisphere, volume of hemisphere. Now, volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square, r is 1 there, h is also 1 there in the cone, plus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube, 2 by 3 pi r cube. What is given? It's a 1 there. And now look, we get here pi by 3 after solving, we get here 2 pi by 3 after solving, 3 pi, then final answer we get pi centimeter cube. Pi centimeter cube is our final answer. We are just going to again revise it. We have to find out here the volume of solid there. Volume of this solid is what? It's made up of hemisphere, and as a cone there, it's made up of what? A hemisphere and a cone. It's given the radius of having same up cone and this hemisphere. It's 1 centimeter, and also heights of this cone is equal to the radius. Since radius are 1, then height is 1. To find the volume of solid, what do we do? It's the volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Putting the values, we get the volume of this solid is what? It's our pi centimeter cube. Now we are moved to with our next problem. I'm going to start take out next problem. What we have. In next problem, it's given a boiler is in the form of a cylinder 2 centimeter long with a hemispherical ends of 2 meter diameter. Find the volume of the boiler. It's given there. There is a boiler in the form of a cylinder 2 meter long. In the form of a cylinder, height of cylinder is given there. It's a 2 meter. Our height is 2 meter long there. And with the hemispherical ends of 2 meter diameter. Also given there is 2 hemispherical ends there of diameter 2 meter is given. Now we have next we have to find the volume of this boiler. We have to find the volume of the boiler. Now we have to find out the volume of this boiler. How can we find out the volume of this boiler? Volume of the boiler. How can we get the volume of cylinder plus 2 times the volume of our hemisphere? Volume of cylinder plus 2 times volume of hemisphere. Now, what is our volume of cylinder? It's a pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere is what? We have to multiply with 2 because there is 2 hemisphere. 2 by 3 pi r cube Now we are going to put the values there. Look up, just since having the same radius, just we are going to take common out our pi and r square there. Take out common pi r square, then what we have h, and here what we have 2 to the 4 by 3. We take pi r square, then one of the r here 4 by 3 r. Now pi radius is our 1 there. 1 का the square of 1 is what? 1 there. Then we just pi here. Here 1 and height is what? 2. Radius is 1. 2 plus 4 by 3. Then 3 to 6 plus 4. What do we get? Pi and 3 to 6 plus 4. 3 to 6 plus 4. 10 by 3. Now we take the value of pi is 3.14 into 10 by 3, then we have 31.4 by 3. After solving 31.4 by 3, what we get? 313 0 3 4 12, maybe it's a 666. Then it's a 10 point approx 46 is in the meter cube. Then the volume of this boiler is what? It's about 10 point approx 10.46 meter cube. How can we? I'm going to again revise. How can we get the volume of this boiler? To get the volume of this boiler, we are going to find out the volume of this cylinder portion, the volume of this hemisphere, 2 times volume of hemisphere, volume of cylinder plus 2 times volume of hemispheres. Putting the values pi r square h plus 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. In the volume there, putting the values of r and h. After solving, we get our result. The volume of this boiler is what? Approx 10.466 meter cube approx. Okay, it's enough for today. Again, we are come to tomorrow with some problems with the same from the volume of combustion of solids. Thanks to all.